Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that the trunk cannot be unlocked with push of the button in the back. Like this one, see the button? Push it, you can unlock the trunk. And you can unlock it with your key fob. So how do you fix that? Well, first find out your car is locked. So unlock the car. Here's the key. The car is unlocked. Now you can open up the trunk. Well, sometimes when even it's unlocked, can still open the trunk. See that? You can only open with the key fob. Why? Well, show you a trick. Here, for the Honda, that's the glove box. Inside the glove box, see that? That thing right there is off position. So turn it on. Now it's in on position. Before it was off position. So you turn it on position, and then you can open the trunk without a key fob. Now the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.